Okay, this is a quick unboxing of my new monitor. I'll do a quick review attached to this unboxing. I'm just gonna unbox this freehand like I did the Vessies. Hopefully I didn't get anything dead on arrival. This is a 1440p 27-inch QHD curved monitor from Gigabyte. This just recently became available at Canada Computers and that. I paid $400 and change for this. Came quite fast through Canada Post. It is adjustable, VESA mountable. Okay, yeah, these are all the instructions. Yeah, let's see if I can power through this or not. Comes with DisplayPort cable, HDMI, oh, don't tell me it comes with all the freaking power cables. Okay, it comes with North American and European standard power cable. USB Type A. Oh, this is one of those big trunk cables. Oh, what else? Another power cord for what it looks like is the UK. Ooh, this is like multinational monitor. This is like high end. Yeah, I'm hooking this up to a pretty mid-spec computer. It's an AMD rig. I have the Aorus B450M board, 32 gigs of DDR4 at 2666. The Ryzen 5 2600. And the RX 574 gigs. Strix, Asus Strix Edition. That's what this monitor is going up and getting hooked up to. Okay, give me a moment, I'll get this out of the box. And here we go, I got it out of the box a bit. Here's the base. It's not as big as I thought it would be, which is great. Yeah, 1 second. This is all freehand video, sorry. Okay. Heavy duty chunky, nice heavy duty steel plate. This over there. Okay. Looks like there's not much assembly that has to happen. Okay, 1 second. Let me place this on a weird angle so you don't see much. Yep. Whoa, that is a chonker screen. Holy crap, that has weight to it. Which is good to see. Okay, I'm undoing some of the wrapping here. Okay. Press it against my knees. Put the base on. Yeah, 1 second, sorry. Yeah, I'm just tightening up the base here. That is on there tight. Okay. Now I gotta put you back down. Sorry, yeah, I'm getting frustrated. This thing has a bit of heft to it. Alright, I'll cut back in a moment. Yeah, I'm back. I had to rearrange stuff. Now to unwrap everything quickly. Oh, that is huge. This is my second 27-inch monitor. This one is a massive upgrade compared to what I'm currently using. I am using the LG MPG 27 something or other 1080p FreeSync monitor. This thing is also FreeSync, but this is 1440p. FreeSync refreshes at 165 Hertz. The other one is 75 Hertz. Yes, I will give a quick review after this is up and running. Yeah, this is the new monitor all hooked up and all that. Very deep blacks and all that. It's a very nice monitor. And the ghosting is like non-existent on this thing. It's silky smooth. Oh, it was worth buying this. It's a huge upgrade from what I currently had. Well, I still have it. The last one was 1080p. This one is, yeah, it's all here. It's that I put it down to 120 Hertz instead of the 165 Hertz, just to have a bit of cushion for when I'm gaming and all that. Don't want to overtax my crappy RX 570. Holy crap, this monitor's great. It's very sharp. Yeah, this has also USB 3 ports built into it and two 2-watt speakers. Not using those, I hooked up my own Creative Lab speakers. Again, this is just silky smooth. Holy crap, that's gonna be nice. Yeah, this is the old monitor, an LG IPS monitor, 1080p, 75 Hertz refresh rate, FreeSync monitor. And I realized it has tilt also, so kicking myself in the pants, but this one goes up and down. Like, you gotta force it in that, but I have it set at a very comfortable setting right now. This monitor looks bigger because it's flat. This one is curved, so it looks a bit smaller, but there's very little bezels on this thing. Sorry if I'm too close to the speaker on this thing. Yeah, I'm currently running my cheapo mouse and keyboard off the two USB ports on the back of this monitor, which I'm super happy about. Yeah, I'm going to test this thing out further. I'll probably start streaming in the near future. And this older monitor, it's not too old. I only bought it like last year. It's still relatively new on the market. Probably see if I could sell it and get a small secondary monitor, smaller than this 27-inch. This is huge. Yeah. Alright. That's all for now. Oh yeah, one last thing. Like, comment, subscribe.